The purpose of this video is to explain the difference between connectors and split supports. Each mounting style that we outlined in our previous video has a connector and a split support. This is the threaded rod connector. The purpose of a connector is to connect two pieces of track. Slides in. It slides in. Okay. You want to slide until the holes with the connector line up with the holes in the track and you can see straight through. Then you use these set screws. Each connector, no matter what type, comes with 2 set screws. They fit in each hole and you use an Allen key to tighten them down. If you don't do this, you run the risk of having a gap between your tracks inside of the connector where your rollers will hang up and it will cause for your retraction to be not so smooth. Now, a split support, on the other hand, looks like this. It will not connect 2 pieces of track. It will fit over 1 piece of track, and it can slide anywhere on that piece of track. This particular split support is the threaded rod split support. You can see that it has a nut here you can loosen so that the flange moves, and it's easier to put the split support on the track and move it where you need to. You then tighten it in place when you have it where you want it. Now, there are instances where a connector, which will connect 2 pieces of track, does not line up with your structure above it that you need to attach to. In this case, it's most beneficial to remove the specific type of connector and work with something called a plain connector, which looks like this. You can see it looks just like the track, same profile, but slightly larger. Once again, the track slides inside of the plain connector, and the plain connector joins 2 tracks together. You are, again, going to line up the holes and use your set screws so that these 2 pieces of track are joined. So now you have 2 pieces of track joined together, but not tied to the ceiling support from above. Enter your split support, which you can slide anywhere on the track, except for over the plain connector. It will not fit over the plain connector. And now your support to your ceiling structure above is independent of your connection point between your straight track pieces. So if you're unsure where your ceiling support is, or if it's at odd intervals, because the track does need to be supported every 5 to 6 feet, this is going to be the most flexible mounting arrangement for you.